morning dear students. Today we are going to do the 20th chapter, that is women entrepreneurship. So in this chapter we will discuss about some famous business women who have shown their great skill in business. They set up a business to getting so much profit in these days. So here are some of examples. First is Kiran Mazumdar Show, second is Indra Nui, and third is Naina Lal Kidwai. So these are some successful women who have set up a very good business. As we know that in these days women are taking part in fashion, beauty, pharmaceutical, food, beverages, social media and entertainment. So there are so many successful women, so their participation in different field is increasing, so that is called women power. So in this chapter we will read this paragraph and fill the blanks, and we will choose a correct option. So first is, entrepreneurship was once considered a male domain. So it was considered that only male set up a business, not women's. But the tide is shifting slowly. So the tide means wave of water. So it is shifting slowly. Now more and more women want to get into the trade and business. So these days women want to take part in business. Women often face challenges. So in the business, women often face some challenges by society or by family, not typical encountered by their male counterpart. Many startup founders look for investment too. So here investment. So many startup means the person who is starting the business is looking for investment, so that any other person should invest some money on their business to help get their business off the ground, so that he can run or she can run her business smoothly. Raising money is even more difficult for women-owned firms. So it is difficult for women to raise money for their business, because there are some trust issues, like there is some stereotype like women are not good in business. So they think that women may not be able to handle the business. A report by Bloomberg. So Bloomberg is a company which collect data, analyze the data about the market. So a report by Bloomberg shows that women who own and run business receive less funding as compared to that of men. So according to the Bloomberg, so it is an American based company which has collected data. According to this data, the women are not getting funding as much as get by the male partners. This make it more difficult for women to hire employees, as women are not getting funding, so not getting investment, so it become difficult. So they are facing from shortage of money, so they are not able to hire a quality workers. Another challenge is maintaining a work-life balance. As we know that women have to do so many duties at their home also. They have to cook food, they have to look after their children. So some of the pregnancy problems also. So it becomes difficult for women. So women have to difficult home life as well as work life. So sometimes it becomes difficult for women to manage their personal as well as professional life. Mothers who start business are also expected to take care of domestic duty. So we know that the mothers are taking care of home. So those who are working women, they are making food at home, they are taking care of their children. Domestic means household duties which are done by women at home, like cooking, cleaning vessels. All these duties came under domestic duties. So that's why maximum women are taking care of the family. So that's why they are expected to do only household duties. Clear? So I hope up to this much is clear to you. Thank you.